In this lesson, we're going to review the columns formula. The columns formula is similar to the column formula, i.e. singular, but this one is plural. This is used to count the number of columns which are in a selected range. We've previously looked at the column formula in a previous lesson, which identified the column number associated with a particular cell. But in this case, it's used to calculate the total number of columns which are in a selected range. The formula is equal to columns, open parentheses, and then you make reference to an array. So you'd have to select the array or table which contains the data that you want to analyze. If we look at our example here, starting in row 24, we've got a table which contains the date, customer ID, sale location, product ID, and quantity associated with some sales data. I've highlighted some data and color-coded it within the table. So as you can see in row 28, we've got cells D28 through G28, which are highlighted in yellow. There are 4 columns highlighted, and we can use the column formula in cell J29 to be able to calculate the number of columns which are part of that highlighted area. So all we do is we type in equals columns, and then we put open parentheses, reference the array, which is D28 through G28, and press enter, and it'll actually tell us that there are 4 columns within that area. So we can apply that consistently across the rest of the analysis here. If I wanted to calculate the number of columns that are part of this red area, I would just need to put an equals columns and then reference the cells or highlight the cells, and so on. The brown area has 5 columns highlighted, and the green area represents 3 columns. So this is just a useful formula that you may want to think about using in combination with other formula that you use in your financial modeling. Depending on the analysis that you're performing, it could come in handy. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.